right outside Zion National Park and getting ready to set out on a 4 to 5 week trek to Green River, Utah. Day 2. Day 4. Day 6.
Day 8.
Day 10.
Day 12.
Day 14.
Day 16.
Day 18. Day 20. Day 22.
Morning of day 23. Woke up to an overcast day, a little bit chilly, and had to start the day with a tricky little climb up some boulders. But we're up, and now time to keep moving up the canyon.
Again, the scent of this wild flower. I'm not sure what it is. It smells so good. Oh man, it's so good. So I think we're down into the Moe and Kopi formation now. This darker brown rock. It seems odd I say down even though we're climbing up the canyon because the landscape is so tilted. Every rock layer we go through is deeper and deeper in time. So we've gone through the Navajo, the Kayenta, the Wingate, Shinle back there, and now Moe and Kopi. It's all part of the fold, the water pocket fold.
A really cool rock layer here. There's this white crystal thin layers embedded into this darker, harder rock. This is fairly common in the Moe and Kopi formation, what I unofficially call the ripple rock. Just looks like water has been flowing over the rock. There's some spots it's really pronounced. Wow, I think we have bear tracks again. I've been looking at some tracks that I couldn't identify because they were big. But here we have a good one with the claw marks following this little stream. Those big spires ahead are known as Nick's Peak, and they mark where we're going to leave Sheets Gulch and finally head north. All right, I'm at the top of the mud hills finally. Looking over this big rock. This is called the Salmon. I think because it looks like a salmon on the topo map. If you look really closely up there, you can see an arch. There's actually a few of them up there, but the others are only visible from the other side. Bit of a change of scenery here. Top of the mud hills. I'm gonna go through this flat area called Tantalus Flats. Didn't realize it, but actually I left National Park down at the bottom of the mud hills. Now I'm in Fish Lake National Forest. And here real soon, actually it's right there, I'm gonna pick up this back road. It's gonna take me down to Pleasant Creek, and then I'll follow Pleasant Creek all the way back down into Capitol Reef National Park. All right, here we go. Day 23, and I'm admittedly a little stinky. I have not had a dip since the Escalante River, so yeah, it kind of builds up over time. And yesterday, going through the tight slot canyon in lower Sheets, I encountered a couple going the other way. So we had to pass each other within inches. And I was so embarrassed. I said, I'm sorry, I know I stink. I've been out here 22 days. And they just kind of laughed and passed by. But then I could still hear them down canyon. And the guy says, yeah, he did. So yeah, I guess it just goes with the territory. All right, got to get back to hiking.
So this is crazy. Crossing that pasture land, there was a gully, and I got down in it. And it is a steep-sided, deep gully. There's really no way out. I mean, there will be eventually. I'm hoping I can just follow it all the way down where it opens up. Yeah, this is it's a little bit more than I bargained for. Spots that are really brushy, like this one coming up. I could probably get out there if I wanted to, but at this point I feel invested. Let's see how far this thing goes. It takes me to where I want to go. It should. It's a drainage, and I'm trying to get down the drainage farther down to get to Tantalus Creek, so it should work. It is a windy little canyon, and there's spots like this that are undercut. Look at that. Just like a regular canyon. This is getting tedious. You see what's out there?
Okay, I finally had to climb out. That was a little too crazy. Oh, it looks like I was pretty close to the end, actually. It kind of looks like it opens up right up there. All right, but we'll walk through the sagebrush. Be a little bit easier. Okay, looks like we found Tantalus Creek. It was in the other fork of the Mud Gorge. And it looks a bit wide open. I can walk down that. Maybe I should take a shower. Going in. Oh. Okay, feels good. I'm gonna take a longer one off video. Maybe this will help with the stink factor. Woo. Okay, I've reached the bottom of Tantalus Creek, where it meets Pleasant Creek, which is much larger. And it's what we're going to be following down through the canyon. Alrighty, let's do it.
Okay, I'm at a spot known as the Falls of Pleasant Creek. Let's go in here and check it out together. Quite the little rapid up there. Man, if this is a super hot day, this would be an awesome place to cool off. Let's go look at it from above. Good stuff. Okay, now it's time to head down the creek. Let's go. feel more like I'm in the Sierras right now and not southern Utah. So amazing with a nice bubbling creek, these nice big pine trees, smell of pine in the air. It's really nice. This was unexpected. I really didn't expect this pleasant creek, but it's quite pleasant. All right, keep going down this canyon. Here we go, back into the canyon. It's a rather cool day today, and we're behind schedule. Otherwise, I'd be jumping into a lot more of these cascades and pools like that one. We got to make up some time, so let's keep walking. See, the canyon opens up ahead of us. That's where we're going to hit kind of Road's End and the scenic drive portion of Capitol Reef. We'll continue down the canyon. But yeah, that's our next destination. Well, I still stink. It's so weird. I don't know. So a little mini shower did not help. I guess it's just too embedded in my skin at this point. Had this crazy notion, like, what if I smell like this all the time? And it's just my sensitivity. Like, I don't know it until I'm out here in nature, and then my sensitivity tunes in. Pretty sure that's not the case, but it's a scary thought. Okay, I'm enjoying Capitol Reef National Park. It's so amazing. I think sometimes it's easy to overlook the grandness of it because it looks so skinny on the map, but man, it's an amazing park. And the scale, the topography is so amazing. It's big, highs and lows. So my route through Capitol Reef is kind of crazy. If you look on it on a map after I'm done, I'm just zigging in and out of these canyons. Yesterday I walked almost 17 miles to go 2.7 miles on the map. It's just like a big sea, and I circled back. I remember that happened to me last year in Grand Gulch, and it was frustrating there because I was just winding in and out and in and out. But here I'm actually not winding as much as just taking a big arc or big letter C, and then today I'm making the backward C and bending back. So it's a good route. It's just crazy. It's just not very efficient for getting across the map. So it's not getting me much closer to Green River, but I'm having fun, and I think that's what's most important, right? Right? I hope. All right, that's it for now. Okay, getting close to being back against the reef. I could have taken a shortcut up that side canyon there, but I would have missed all of the Upper Pleasant Creek, which I'm glad I didn't because it was great. Here we go. It seems strange to see, but there's a bunch of buildings up there. One of the local universities has a study center here, I believe in hydrology. And this is also the end of the line for a back road in Capitol Reef. There's a road that comes in from this direction over here that's kind of a continuation of the scenic drive. So this is a good central area for a lot of people to come and hike and ride horses and such, plus the university study center. So we'll see. I may see some people up here, but I'm not going up there for a cheeseburger or anything. I'm continuing down canyon. There's an old ranch house here.
Actually, I don't know the history on it, so I'm hoping maybe there will be some information right up here. That's cool. They've used a lot of that big river stone as walls here throughout this whole pin. Well, looks like no information and a big padlock on the door. There's a little peephole though. You can look in. Okay. So we gotta keep walking. An old survey marker from just over 100 years old. Must have really seemed like a wild landscape back then. Hey, you can see Mount Ellen again of the Henrys poking through the reef. I'm at a rock art site here in Pleasant Creek Canyon. A lot of art and cowboy glyphs. It's barricaded off so I can't get too close, but some bear prints on that boulder right there. Some really big figures up there. They're pretty faded, but wow, they're cool. So they believe there's art here from the archaic peoples as well as the Fremont, who are the more modern. Archaic are 2,000 or more years old. The Fremont are 700 to 1,700 years old. So I climbed up this hill downstream and found a bunch more rock art. Lots of bighorns. Lots and lots of bighorns. And lots of more bighorns. And some people. And this guy with big feet. And another bighorn and a baby. Lots of cool stuff here. Another wall farther down and more little bighorns. And then a really ornate snake design that goes on for a long ways. True story, that's where I wanted to camp tonight. Way up by those pinnacles. It's so close, but so far away because we have to go all the way down the canyon and then back. Tomorrow we'll be up there, we'll look down. I'll remember this moment. Sun going down on day 23. Everything's looking good. Oh, hey, it's Mr. Shadow. Hey, buddy, how you doing? You having fun in Capitol Reef? I think that's his thumbs up. All right, let's keep going. We got to find camp. More rock art. Wasn't even looking for it, just walking around this corner and hey, look at that.